creating a Unity account and downloading Unity is pretty easy, but you actually need to make a Unity account because Unity wants you to accept their terms and conditions, and you need to actually accept the Unity personal license. That just means that Unity has a right to grab some of your money if you make a game, for example, and then release that game using the Unity engine. But if you're going to be working on visual effects like commissions or maybe freelance or hired as an employee, that's not going to affect you at all. So you don't have to worry about that. But it's also important that you have the personal license, because if not, Unity won't allow you to use the engine. So yeah, let's go ahead and create that Unity account right now. So access Google, which is the most used search engine in the world, and type unity.com. And there it is, the first website. So unity.com, let's go there. And you'll see go create, download. Before downloading, that's the next lesson, you access this icon here at the top right corner, which might be switched in the future, but right now it's there, and it says create a Unity ID. So access that one. And here you'll need to enter an email, a password, username, and full name, and then also accept the terms and privacy policy and whatnot, and also a CAPTCHA, so you're not a robot. That's perfect. I'm not a robot. Nice surprise. Let's enter our email here, cleverseekers.com, just an example. Do I even know how to use like an email input field, please? At gmail.com. That's perfect. All right. Password, just the bare minimum, just because that's an example. Please don't hack me. That's a super easy password. I'm not going to change it. So if you crack it, the count is yours. But yeah, let's set the username to Clever Seekers. And then the full name is going to be Clever Seekers. Like so. Right. Accept the terms of service. And let's say I just want to accept those and create a Unity ID while the validation expired. Create a Unity ID. Well, you need to also acknowledge the Unity privacy policy, but you don't have to agree with the marketing activities. So don't check that one. It's not necessary at all. So yeah, let's create the Unity ID. Right now, it's asking us to confirm the email. So let's access our Gmail. And just like that, we received the Unity Technologies confirmation mail. And if you haven't gotten that one, please check the spam folder, because it might happen that you get that there for some reason. Happens sometimes. But yeah, and if you haven't gotten it yet, you can just wait for a bit and it should be there. Right, so just click that, and inside of this email, you click link to confirm email, and you verify that you are not a robot again for some reason, and should be good to go. And now let's just sign in to our account. Awesome. Sign in. All right. So there's a lot of messages going around here and some other stuff that you don't really need to look at. So you can just feel free to close this tab for now. Going back to Unity, you'll find out that here at the right top corner of the screen, you'll see that there's your profile. Awesome. So that's how you create your very own Unity account. And in the next lesson, you're going to be learning how to download the Unity Hub, how to install it, and how to set it up briefly. You'll need to log into it. And yeah, that's the main focus of the next lesson. So see you there. Bye.